Did you notice that the sentiment score for climate tech is currently at plus 0.39, despite the momentum dipping to minus 0.45? That's a significant divergence from the historical baseline. In other words, while sentiment is rising, indicating a growing positive outlook, momentum is slipping, suggesting some underlying concerns. This could be a pivotal moment for you to explore what's driving this sentiment spike across the 10 semantic clusters our API identifies. You can gain insights into emerging trends, helping you decide where to allocate resources or focus your development efforts. Our API returns detailed sentiment scores and trends, enabling you to integrate these insights directly into your applications. To dive into the data, visit pulsebit.logenterprise.com/docs. Let's uncover the narrative behind the numbers together.